Hey, my collie friends, let's grab our Espada Y Daga and we're gonna work some basic coordination drills with this weapon category. So if you're just starting off with your Espada Y Daga training, this is the perfect place to begin. I got this awesome training location for today, so thumbs up for the beautiful setting. If you have the chance and the opportunity to get out and do some training in nature, I highly recommend it. It's just great to get out and let the mind kind of go and be peaceful and just kind of be one with your training. So we're gonna work some basic coordination drills with the Espada Y Daga. So it's a long weapon and a short weapon. Feel free to explore it in opposite grips as well, even though the long weapon will predominantly be in your dominant hand, and then the short weapon would be in your support hand. So these drills are gonna help to learn the operation of the left hand here. So whether we have the knife in our left hand or we don't have it in our left hand, these are great drills to learn, what are we doing with this left hand? We're gonna start off in our chamber position. Knife is gonna start at the plexus right here. And we're gonna strike 5 times our angles 1 and 2. And watch what happens with the left hand, because it's gonna move from position 1 at the plexus to position 2 at the hip. So we're gonna strike 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, we're gonna go through a little bit of a sequence here. We're gonna jab this out, take it down, bring it back up, jab again. Then I'm gonna go into what's called the circular 2, pass the dagger with the thrust, hit the 2, and then fire out this thrust. Notice how I step through with the left leg, then I'm gonna step it back, and I'm gonna start the drill all over again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jab it out, take it down, bring it up, jab it out again. Circle the 2, pass the thrust, and here's the angle 2 and thrust right there. And then bring it back. Let's go ahead and do this one a few more times from a couple different angles. Let's get a few reps in together. Just go nice and slow and smooth. On my count here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jab it out on the horizontal, take it down on the vertical, bring it back up, and jab. Circle that espada or the stick, pass the daga of the knife, strike that 2, and thrust the knife. Cross step behind. Let's go ahead and do this 2 more times together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jab, take it down, bring it up, jab, circle, thrust, 2, thrust. Step it back, 1 more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jab it out, take it down, bring it up, jab, circle the 2, thrust the dagger, 2, and thrust. And bring it back. For our second drill, we're gonna do the exact same ending, but we're gonna go to the upward figure 8 this time. So we're gonna work our angles 3 and 4. So we're gonna come upwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jab it out, take it down, up it, jab it. There's that circular, pass that dagger, slash and thrust. And bring it back around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the upward figure 8. Jab it, take it down, up, and jab. Circle it out, pass the thrust, slash and thrust. Right there. So let's go ahead and go nice and slow. Look at this one from a couple different angles. Let's get some reps in together of our second drill. Nice and easy, slow and smooth. Starting at our angle 3 position. Come on up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jab it out. Take it down. Bring it up and jab. Circle the 2, pass the thrust, slash and thrust. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jab it out. Take it down. Bring it up and jab. Circle the 2, pass the thrust, slash and thrust. One more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jab it out, take it down, bring it up, jab. Circle the 2, pass the thrust, slash and thrust right there. Have some fun exploring these 2 great starter Espada Y Daga drills. If you want to take your training to the next level, explore more of this area of Kali, plus all the other areas of Kali, and work your skills from fundamentals to advanced. Be sure to check out our online school over at KaliCenter.com. Got the link down below. If you've been watching Kali Center for a while and you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do me a quick favor. Take your daga and thrust it right now. If you're new to the channel, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any upcoming training here at the Kali Center YouTube channel. Let me know down in the comments, what's your favorite area of Kali? Do you like the single stick, the double stick, the Espada Y Daga, the staff, the spear, the empty hands? What do you like to train most? Always fun to hear from you guys. And then I'll make some videos off of that. All right, I'm gonna get back to my training here in this beautiful place and I'll catch you back here next time.